Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Vasudha Venkatesan here to present our work Synth Stereo to Real, an edge-aware GAN for remote sensing image translation while maintaining stereo constraints. In the field of remote sensing, the scarcity of stereo matched data and particularly lack of accurate ground truth data often hinders the training of deep neural networks. The use of synthetically generated images alleviates this problem. Although the synthetic data is generated to resemble satellite images, difference in nature and lighting of the images can introduce domain gap in training. The goal of our work is to reduce this domain gap by using unpaired image translation while maintaining stereo constraints. One of the existing work, StereoGAN, addresses the exact same issue. The paper utilizes CycleGAN to carry out image translation and DispNet for training disparity network. The network performs joint optimization during the training. Here we can see the CycleGAN based generator in StereoGAN. We improve the model by using a lightweight autoencoder based generator. The encoder and generator factorizes input image into content and style codes using content style disentanglement. We include edge maps of the input images derived from Sobel operator as an additional input to generator to retain structural information during translation. The encoder combines the edge code with the content code as content edge code and passes it to the decoder to generate images. In addition to edge maps, we incorporate a warping loss between the translated images to maintain stereo consistency. The warping loss is included with the other losses during the training of the generator instead of an additional disparity network. To ensure our model performs well in all domains, we train and test our model in remote sensing as well as autonomous driving datasets. To evaluate the model, we utilize MAD, 3-pixel accuracy and 1-pixel accuracy as metrics, and we can see a notable improvement across both the domains. We also compare the model based on the number of training parameters, and we can see our model uses 1/4 of the training parameters compared to the existing models, and this making it ideal for application with limited storage and processing time. Here we can see the quality of image translation of Synth Stereo to Real compared to other networks. A model efficiently captures and reproduces content such as architectural details, rooftops, bridges, roads, and improves shadow handling. This is well documented and on the consistent and accurate prediction of disparity maps with clear boundaries and sharp object identification. If you're interested in knowing more about our work, feel free to visit our poster where me and my colleague will be present. Thank you.